Welcome everybody. Welcome to the channel. That is brand new channel. I've been building Mercury motors for a while now, but I haven't been recording this. But now I'm gonna start doing it because we got a whole lot of Mercuries, and especially the 4-stroke Mercuries. We don't have any content at all on the rebuilding the internal of these motors, the damages caused, the blow-ups. This one actually damaged the harness when the piston blew up. That's the remainder of the piston right there. Damaged that too. I pretty much have everything here in Ziploc bags because of the dust, particles and stuff like that. I don't want anything getting into that when it's time to rebuild this thing, which is going to be in a couple of days. I have new gaskets on order. This is the new block right here, still wrapped a little bit. The head that we're going to be putting, we're not going to be using this one because this one has some damage on it. When it comes to bearings, all these gotta go. We're not reusing bearings. As you can see, that's one of the bearings that was damaged. That was on a rod, and particularly this rod. As you can see, that's a pretty bent rod, and it's got some damage in there. And new block, new heads. What else? Midsections over there. And yeah, we're gonna be talking about a lot about how and why these motors fail. All we have on YouTube is oil change, service, 300-hour service, 100-hour service. But there's some things that boat owners are doing wrong that are causing these motors to blow up. And there's some things that obviously the factory didn't do that causes some of these motors to blow up as well. And we're going to talk about all those things. So stay tuned. I have this big boy right here. Okay. And this is gonna be your Mercury 4-strokes. This is gonna be your from 2013, I guess, to 2023, I guess. This is your Pro XS. This is your C Pros, and this is just your regular Mercury 4-stroke, the 150s. All these are going to be the motors that we're going to be talking about and dealing with